Good day everyone. So in this video, we're gonna talk about derivatives. So we need to find the fourth derivatives of sine 2x. So first is derivative of sine. So first derivatives of sine 2x is derivative of sine, which is cos 2x times 2. Cos derivatives of 2x is 2. Then simplify, we have 2 cos 2x. Next, the second derivatives, we have 2 derivatives of cos, which is negative sine. Negative sine 2x. Then derivatives of 2x is 2. Then simplify, we have 2 times 2 is 4. 4 negative sine 2x, or negative 4 sine 2x. Next is the third derivatives. We have negative 4. Then the derivatives of sine 2x is cos 2x. Then derivatives of 2x is 2. Then simplify, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 cos 2x. Then the fourth derivatives um, is equal to negative 8. Then the derivatives of cos 2x is negative sine 2x. Then derivatives of 2x is 2. Then simplify, we have 2 times negative 8 is negative 16 times negative sine 2x, or 16 negative times negative is positive, so we have 16 sine 2x. So this is the final answer of fourth derivatives of sine 2x. So we have the final answer, positive 16 sine 2x.